I use my home equity line of credit as a down payment?
Sure. So if you have a home equity line of credit, or if you have a lot of equity in your home and you don't have an equity line of credit, I would recommend going out and getting a line of credit, because you could tap into your home equity line of credit for a down payment. So maybe you've got $100,000 in usable equity and you're going to buy a house. We'll get a $100,000 line of credit. Maybe you only need $40,000 for a down payment. You could easily tap into your home equity line of credit, take that $40,000, put it down. We'll fund the rest. And when you fix and flip, or buy and hold, there's ways around that. But basically, when you fix and flip the property, you sell it, you pay back your line of credit.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions. And who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.